In 1987, a quiet California suburb held a dark secret. Richard Crafts was a man with a plan. His wife, Helle, wanted a divorce, but Richard had other ideas. One cold November night, after a tense dinner, everything changed. Helle was never seen again. Richard told friends she'd left him. But he began a strange process. He bought a massive new freezer. He rented a powerful wood chipper. Then he started cleaning. He scrubbed the carpets until they were spotless. He replaced a section of the rug. He sanitized every single surface. No detail was too small. He worked through the night, under the cold glare of moonlight. Near a frozen river bridge, a snowplow driver found something. Tiny fragments of bone and hair, a single painted fingernail. The horrifying truth began to surface. Richard Crafts hadn't just cleaned his house. He had tried to erase a person.